Hello viewers, welcome to Shahriar's photography channel. I am a photography enthusiast, especially in travel and food. I also like gadgets and love to share my review feedbacks through my channel. Thank you for watching.
Today I will share my review on Motorola G7 Power, a new handset in Bangladesh market. Now I will open the box and give a quick unboxing and first impression to all of you. Okay, it's time to unbox. Here is my knife and let's open it. Look at this display. The large size is really awesome. So it has 5000 mAh battery. Wow, then it will last long. The 6.2 HD Plus Vision display must give a great experience. The processor is cool and the camera looks pretty good at this price range. It also comes with Moto Experience features and fingerprint reader. So inside the box, one will get the charger with the USB cable, the headphone and the user manual. And most interestingly and importantly, this device also comes with a very nice back cover to protect the handset. I'm really liking it. Okay, now it's time to turn on. Let's see. Alright. Wow, the display looks really good. I'm impressed. At this price point, this is really a good handset. Alright, so in the next few days, I will use this handset with lot of photography and other feature experiences and come back to you with the results. Till then, goodbye.